about this book. It's called The Schools for Good and Evils. In this video, I will give a review both of this book and why I highly recommended reading this book. The School for Good and Evil is written by Soman Chainani. The series is a fantasy novel trilogy that follows the story of two girls, Sophie and Agatha, who are taken to the school for good and evil, where ordinary children are trained to become fairy tale heroes and villains. The twist is that Sophie, who expects to be placed in the school for good, is sent to the school for evil, while Agatha, who expects to be placed in the school for evil, is sent to the school for good. The series explores the themes of friendship, identity, and the blurred lines between good and evil. The first book in the series is still titled The School for Good and Evil, and the book excels in character development as it follows the transformation of its main characters Sophie and Agatha throughout their time at the school for good and evil. The characters undergo significant growth and their personalities evolve in response to the challenges they face. The story introduced a variety of fairy tale characters, each with their own unique backgrounds, abilities, and perspective. This diversity adds depth to the narrative and allows readers to explore different points of view. While some characters initially embody stereotypical notions of good and evil, the narrative challenges these conventions. As the characters develop, they break away from traditional molds, providing positive role models that encourage readers to question and redefine concepts of morality. Themes of compassion and empathy. The book explores themes of compassion and empathy, especially as characters navigate the complexities of friendship and understanding. The relationship between characters highlight the importance of empathy in overcoming difference and fostering genuine connection. Conflict resolution and problem solving in this book. The plot is driven by complex and challenges that the characters must navigate. The story encourages problem solving and resilience, demonstrating that resolution often requires collaboration and creative thinking. The book features a diverse cast of characters, each with their own strengths and flaws. While it's a fairy tale setting, the characters feel authentic and relatable, allowing readers to connect with their struggles and triumphs. Ethical dilemmas and discussion. The narrative introduces ethical dilemmas that prompt characters and readers alike to question traditional notions of good and evil. It sparks discussion about morality choices and the consequences of one's actions, making it a thought-provoking read. Overall, The School for Good and Evil is a well-rounded book that weaves together elements of fantasy with strong character development, diverse perspective, and themes that encourage reflection on important ethical and moral considerations. I think this is enough to give my review of this book. Hopefully, my review will give you the desire to read this book. And thank you for watching this video. See you on next video. Bye bye.